What's up guys, Dynamic Tech here. Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you two simple methods to install Windows 11 in unsupported devices with unsupported CPU and TPM. So without wasting time, let's start. So the first method is for custom install Windows from external USB pen drive in unsupported device, and the second method is for upgrading with all the files and settings in the Windows. So if you want to check out the second method for upgrading, then you can skip this chapter and you can jump to the second chapter of method 2. Okay, so the first method of custom install, we are going to need two things. One of them is definitely the Windows 11 official ISO, and the second one is a software which makes your pen drive bootable for installing Windows. So let's see how to download Windows 11 official ISO. To install official Windows 11 ISO, you have to explore this link in your browser. You can check out the description down below for the link and scroll down a bit, and here you will see an option saying download Windows 11 disk image. Click on select download and select Windows 11 multi-edition. Click on download and you will see select the product language. Click on choose one and select your desired language and click on confirm, and after that you will see Windows 11 English International 64-bit download button. Click on it and your download should start. Now that we have the official Windows 11 ISO, you have to install the Rufus application to make our pen drive bootable. So again, open your browser and go for this link from the video description. Scroll down a bit and here you will see the download buttons of the Rufus application. Download the latest version from the website and you will be ready to go. After downloading both of the files, it is time to insert your USB drive. After inserting your drive, double click on the Rufus application, and here on the pop-up you will see an upgrade message. Because I am using Rufus second time, so I don't get the message, but if you have downloaded Rufus first time and you're using the first time, then you have to make sure that you press yes on the update message. And after opening the Rufus, click on select, and from here select your desired ISO, and here under the second option, boot selection, you will see your ISO of Windows 11, and down below you will see image option. Here you have to select this extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM, no secure boot option, and then you will have to make your pen drive bootable. For the upgrade install, we are going to use method number 2. In this method, you are only going to need Windows 11 official ISO and some changes in your registries. So simply press Windows key plus R to open the Run tab, and here type regedit, hit enter, and you will see Registry Editor, and here navigate to H key local machine, then navigate to system, and under the system folder you will see setup folder. Here navigate in it, and here you should see a folder named MoSetup, and if in case you don't see a folder with this name, then simply create a new one by right clicking on setup and then creating a new key. Rename this key with MoSetup with only the M capital and then hit enter. And now on the right side of the Registry Editor, right click anywhere, click on new, and then click on divert 32-bit value and rename it with Allow Upgrades with Unsupported TPM or CPU. Now here you have to be careful with the letters. All the first letters of all the words should be capital except TPM and CPU. So make sure you have the order. And if you are facing any issue, you can simply check the video description for the file name and then hit enter. Now double click on this key, set the value to 1, click on OK, and now we are all set. Close the registry editor, double click on the Windows 11 ISO to mount it, and then double click on the setup, and you will be ready to install Windows 11 in your unsupported computer. So these were the two methods to install or upgrade Windows 11 in your unsupported computer. Hope you guys found the video helpful, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up, and if you are new on the channel, then consider subscribing. Also turn on the bell notification to get all the updates. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.